How are you guys? I hope you're doing fine. Today I'm going to show you how to write a resume or CV the proper way. Remember, this CV is intended for a hard copy, okay, or as electronic form sent to someone you know and not to be posted online. So first I want you to look at the format of the CV. Here you have to remember there are 7 points you have in a CV that you have to remember. This is point 1 in bold, your name, address and phone and email. Point 2, career objective. Point 3, education. Point 4, experience. Point 5, languages. Point 6, computer skills. And last one, point 7, references. So let's get started. I have to fill in the CV. First, it says here your name, address, phone and email. So let's fill it up. So first one, let's say name John Doe, address say 120 Azmi Street, okay, and this is, remember, this is in Tripoli, Lebanon. Then you put here phone, replace the phone with the number 70 whatever. Then replace the email with John Doe at Yahoo, for example, .com. Okay, so this is point 1. We're done with it. Okay, remember you have always use Times New Roman font and size 12. Now we move to the next one, career objective. What is it? It says definition. What type of jobs are you looking for and how are you qualified? Right? So if you can answer this, this will be your answer here. So let's say I'm a business major, okay, I'm studying business, okay, and I'm looking for a job at a bank. So this is what you have to say. Let's replace this one with actual words. You can say I am looking for a banking position, right? Since I'm studying business, or yeah, I'm studying the banking major. I'm looking for a banking position suitable with, okay, so this is suitable with my degree in, for example, accounting. Okay, so I'm looking for a banking position suitable with my degree in accounting. That should be enough. Since you're starters, I mean, you haven't graduated yet. So this is done. Career objective is done. Third point, education. This is the formula. First you have to start with the degree, major, name of the university, location and date. So let's do it. So I have, let's remove this one, degree in what? Okay, BA, so this is bachelor's degree, BA in accounting. Okay, oh, I'm sorry, this should be 2 C's, accounting. So name of the university here, this should be LIU. Now location, where is it? This is in Tripoli. Okay, now this one. Date. When did you join LIU, and did you graduate or you're still studying? Let's say I joined 2017 or 18 and I'm still studying. You say present, okay? That means you're still studying. So education, BA in accounting, LIU, Tripoli, 2018, present. That's how it should be done. Always remember the date is always on the right hand side. Okay, here, if you have any exceptional achievement in courses, mention it. For example, I got say 4.0 in accounting 321, or if I got say 3.6 in statistics. Anything that is higher than 3.0, mention it. Do not mention low GPA. For example, I can say here received a 3.6 in statistics, for example. Just show the employer, or received a GPA here, GPA 3.6 in statistics. Here just mention mention to the employer that you're actually good in what you do or in what you study. Now education, this is enough for now, okay? And once you get a job, you can like extend this one. Okay, let's move now to the experience, job experience. It says here the formula should mention the name of the company and location, then the date. So let's fill that up. So name of the company, let's say this is Bank Med. Okay, location, this is Tripoli. When did you work? It was in 2000, for example, 19. Okay, so next, now here the next one, what did you do here? What did you work in the bank, or what kind of internship? It says a brief description of the work, responsibilities, skills gained. Okay, let's do it. You can see worked as a assistant accountant. Okay, worked as assistant accountant in Tripoli branch. What did you do in in general? Okay, you worked as an assistant accountant in Tripoli branch. You can say in charge of balance sheet, for example. Okay, here worked as an assistant. Okay, an assistant accountant in Tripoli branch in charge of balance sheet. That's I think enough. Here you can, if you have different major, of course you can change it to fit your major. The next point number 5, languages. Just mention how many languages do you speak. Don't say it's good, fluent, average. Just say Arabic, for example, English, and French. Don't say as good, fluent, native. Point number 6, computer skills. Okay, don't say I'm very good in Microsoft, I'm very good in Photoshop. Just I'm very good. Don't say I'm very good in internet games. It's not appropriate, okay? Or I'm very good playing PUBG. This is not computer skills. So computer skills could be Microsoft Office, right? It could be Photoshop, it could be Java. Okay, again, let me just remind you of one more thing here. In this one, do not mention bio data. What I mean by bio data, do not mention what is the color of your eyes, how tall are you Lebanese, are you Syrian, are you French. Don't say how many brothers do you have, or whether if you are married, single, divorced. This is called bio data. Do not mention it. This is incorrect. Okay, so computer skills, we're done with it. Microsoft Office, Photoshop, Java. References. Now this is a very important one. You cannot leave it blank. See this sentence? Just copy paste it into your resume. Always copy paste it. The following individuals have written recommendation letters on my behalf. Say the company wants to hire you, okay? But first they have to know from someone you have worked with, you have studied under, that you are really what you have said or what you have written on your resume. For example, you can say, now here the references could be employer, current employer, previous employer, current instructor, previous instructor. Let's say I have an instructor who once taught me accounting, okay? Let's say his name is Ray Diamond, okay? So who is Ray Diamond? What does he work? He is, say, AUB or LIU instructor of business administration, okay? Where does he live? Just put Tripoli, for example, the address. Then the phone. What is his phone? 705345, whatever. So this is it, guys, for the whole CV, and please follow this pattern, and thank you very much for listening. Bye bye.